and welcome to this IGLA Hall of Fame interview with another successful mentee of IGLA, that is an International Growth Leadership Academy that we are driving the mid-level professionals towards the top leadership. And we have a successful mentee who has achieved some notable success in a very, very short time. So let me welcome you and help me understand what have you achieved through this journey with us.
Sure. Good afternoon, Rakesh, and everyone, team members. So yes, it is an exciting journey which I was part of. I started with CAM, and I still remember in July when I attended first session, which is just as an introduction session. And when you covered the point that when you're discussing with your line manager and he's saying you are doing great, but your visibility is missing. So that is the point, I think, where I was able to correlate and resonate with you very well, Rakesh. So I was able to see, yes, same problem even I faced. I'm doing great. Still, I'm not getting next level. So that triggered me to join CAM. And I really wanted to see what is different thing I can get from there. So because frankly, I was also thinking I'm in good MNC, world-class MNC currently. So what is anything else I can get it? And which I believe me, within 1 week or 2 weeks, I got it that this is the kind of realistic things which you are covering, and the kind of pain we all are facing in mid-career. So that was the trigger thing that which really helped, and I still remember the kind of content and the kind of structure it is there in CAM, which really helped me because I was very clear which portion I want to cover first, which is my pain area. Like I wanted to work in the same company and I want to reach to the next level. So that visibility front, self exploration, very clearly self assessment, the thing which I really learned, and the gratitude which I need to show to others. And it is not like me only, how I can be a good mentor after learning from it. So lot of things, yes, in CAM which I learned.
Wonderful. And out of that entire thing, what have you achieved? That is what we are interested in. What have you achieved?
Absolutely. So, and I will not only give the credit to CAM, because I remember after 1 month or 45 days time, I joined GLM, our Growth Leadership Mastery session. So that was live coaching, which I got from you, which really helped me to change my totally mindset, I will say. Because earlier I was working, but the kind of passion, the kind of mission, what I'm doing, why I'm doing this, only for 10% increment, no. Whether the kind of big picture I got it when I really learned in GLM, that all now we say GLC. Yeah. So the kind of finding our values, finding the passion, so that really helped me really to achieve, yes, this is the clear picture, this is I want to achieve as a goal for me. Stakeholder management, earlier I was also doing, but the kind of racy I learned from you, whom I should just inform, whom I should work very closely. So there were many things to share, but to make it crisp, I will say the kind of gratitude, forgiveness, journal writing, I think this thing I've never heard. It is not even in our the kind of all world-class courses are available in my company, but I never come across these things. So with this, what I achieved during GLM also itself, I got internal one position, which is manager to senior manager, next level itself. But I wanted to get into some other role. So that is also, I was working parallelly and I got that particular aspired role, which I was looking for.
Wonderful. Excellent. And you got an increment as well, a handsome increment as well, that too interim
Yes.
promotion without, I think off-cycle promotion is what I would say, right?
Yes, absolutely. So percentage wise, you will see only, I will tell 20%, but it is not 20% on normal salary, because I know from market benchmark where I'm a top branch already. So that bandwidth 20% is really huge. So I know that.
Excellent, excellent. And now help me understand, like you have gone through the career acceleration mastery, you have gone through the growth leadership, and you're now going through the executive leaders club as well. What changes have you observed in yourself before you joining any of my program compared to now that you're seeing yourself to be?
Absolutely. So 2-3 things I want to share here. First, it is it is majorly the mindset, because I'm into the environment which I'm getting in GLC as well as ELC now. All leaders are there. We only talk in leaders language. We share very transparently the kind of pain we have, and we are learning from each other. I know you are our coach, we are learning from you, but from others also we are learning in this open session. And
Yes.
good part is this is an already safe environment where we are transparent and sharing all industries experience. If any, I remember that finance lady which she shared the experience, this she is facing this problem, and I already seen my finance head face the same problem. I was able to resonate and share the experience. So this is the environment, and I know when 2021 you were sharing 2022 how it looks like, what kind of challenges, gig and a lot of gig economy and all those things. So this is really important area which we are not getting anywhere outside, frankly. I'm doing a lot of things parallelly, like any courses in my company, but no, this is the very good environment where we are reaching to the next level.
Absolutely. Thanks you. Thank to all the leaders who have joined, actually, because me alone cannot bring that environment, but the leaders together can definitely grow that. And I'm a firm believer that if you want to learn leadership, you have to be among the leaders. And that environment cannot be available either in your corporate, because where work pressure will always take the priority over any other thing. And the second, it will not be there in the MBA as well, especially when you are not gelling with people too much. Unless you are doing a full-time MBA where you're spending 20, 25 lakh rupees on yourself, then it will make sense. Otherwise, the rest of the environment will not come so easy. So that's why I'm a firm believer of the environment, because I've been growing and striving in the environment. If it is not there, I'm not there. Correct. So having said that, let me ask you a very, very simple question. Like, you are a mid-career professional with 17 plus years of experience. I'm sure you must be having a lot of ideas about how to build your own career, right? And you are experienced enough, intelligent enough to understand everything on your own as well. Why would anybody in the mid-level career need to actually look at the coach or a mentorship for that matter? Like, you have been through every session now, right? You are attending our community sessions on Thursday, hackathons, then ELC, GLC. So you have been very regular. What has actually uh, changed in you in that sense? And what do you think of the people who are still on the age, they are not able to take a decision? They feel like, oh, I can manage it myself, I can do it myself, or I can figure it out. So what is the message for them?
Sure. And I know this message initially I received from me. Now I can just share whichever the takeaway for me. We have multiple courses available in the market, and we can do in our company. All those guys are giving this, but this is all bookish things. Very clearly, when we work here in this ELC, GLC and ELC, both I will say, because CAM is, frankly, I'm telling you, it's a basic. So we don't have the opportunity to have 101 to interact as a team. So to clearing our doubts, to see the bigger picture, I think this is the environment is totally different in ELC, I will say. So first, my message is, which I had the apprehension earlier, that what I can learn here. But I know if we have the any structured program, which we are not getting, and it's a continuous learning. Frankly, we learn any course we join for one workshop for 8 days. We learned a lot. But that is when we will forget to apply after a few weeks.
Absolutely.
So we need some hammer also. Time to time, yes, we have to work. And I think this is the kind of mindset change. Like, I will take one example. Now I always talk to myself on a very positive side. Earlier, I remember I was discussing, shit, I have not done this. But now I know I have set my priorities. This not done, no problem. I have planned for next week. I intentionally did manage my week, my day, those kind of things. So really, this is the environment which is helping.
Wonderful. And what is your message to the people who are sitting on the fence in the mid-level, who feel that they don't need any help? What do you think?
So I think formula is very clear, that the how much time you will delay, the kind of impact, you are the only one who is going to lose, no one else actually. It is, we are putting a lot of money on other investment property for any other things, but for self improvement. And we know if we increase our value, I know the kind of multiple benefits, cost wise, overall life. I think it's a not only professionally, personally, they are going to benefit it. And I am benefiting, and I know others already in GLC, ELC, how people are getting success, and we are all enjoying the success clearly.
Okay. And I really admire the way this team has been gelling now as a leaders group, which we are forming now, which is going to become a very prominent in the Indian business itself, right? So we are creating a vision for the world-class growth leaders. And that is where I'm heading towards. And I'm very happy that you have joined that team and the other leaders are also supporting each other to grow to that level. And having said that, I just wanted to give this message to all the mid-level leaders who are there sitting on the fence thinking that they will figure it out. You will figure it out, but it will take 5 to 10 years of productive time of your years where you will be losing out on the earning, the financial growth that you deserve. And that will never come back, unfortunately. That is the real challenge. And that cost of ignorance is very, very high for the mid-level compared to the early level or the probably all the people who have already reached to the top. So
And
if you are
yeah.
not bridging that gap, you're always going to find it very difficult to catch up this game.
And Rakesh, if you allow me, I would like to share one thing. This promotion I got after 5 years. So
Oh,
I was at one manager highest grade since last 5 years. So, and this 5 months itself, if I got, so something must be there. I think people can resonate that
absolutely,
it is
absolutely.
helping.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much for sharing your story as well as the lessons that you have learned throughout the IGLA that we are trying to bring that experience of community to the people. And I hope more and more people will actually take advantage of it. So I wish you all the success in your new role. Now that is more responsible role, more
Yeah,
global in nature. So I wish you all the best and all the success. And we are anyway together on the ELC. So we'll be
yes,
solving all the challenge that you come across in that as well.
sure. Thank you.
All
Thanks,
right.
Rakesh.
Thank you very much, guys, and look forward to see you in another Hall of Fame success story of IGLA very, very soon. Till that time, just stay tuned and keep growing. Thank you and God bless.